Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can create a Payeer account. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First thing, you need to download and install Payeer application on your device. Once you do that, open the application. So this will be the first interface that you will see. If you already have an account, you can log in, but we don't have it. So I will tap on create an account. From there, you need to tap on agree. So guys, once you tap on agree, it will bring you to this page. Here, as you can see, this is your account number, your password, and your secret code. You can copy this one if you want. But if you want to change the password, I guess you cannot change the account number here, but you can change the password. Just tap on password if you want to change it. So I will retype the password that I want, and then we will continue. So guys, I choose a new password, and you need to re-enter it to confirm the password. You can even change the secret code if you want. So I will change that one as well. So once you change the secret code and everything, then you need to just tap on confirm. So once you tap on confirm, they say create PIN, and you need to allow some permission. So I will create a PIN here. And then just when you select a PIN, then just tap on create code, and now you need to confirm the code and then tap on confirm. Here, if you want to enable Touch ID, you can do that as well. I will skip it for now. So here, if you want to have a light mode or dark mode, you can switch it to dark or light mode. It depends on your preference. So once you're done, just tap on done. And here you have it. So guys, this is the first interface that you will see of a Payeer account once you have created it. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.